How exactly was the universe born? And what will be the end of the universe? From ancient times to the present, this question has always been pondered. But when facing the question of the origin and fate of the universe, ancient people could only rely on myths to explain. For example, early Westerners believed the world was created by an all-powerful God, and in China there is the story of Pangu creating heaven and earth. This was the world most ancient people could understand, and it was humanity's long-standing view. But humans are by no means passive parasites. In fact, even when humans were still very primitive, they were already observing nature and the stars in detail. After thousands and thousands of years of observation, a massive amount of data was accumulated. We came to understand constellations and the calendar of year, month, and day. These are actually all products of humanity's understanding of celestial changes. So given that, could the origin of all things have come from the mysterious starry sky? In fact, in ancient Greece, there was a scholar who valued observation, Ptolemy. He believed the Earth was the center of the universe, and all other celestial bodies revolved around it. This is the so-called geocentric theory, but later the Polish astronomer Copernicus overturned this view, arguing that the sun was the center of the universe. However, religion still held dominant power at that time. Even the modern scientific giant Newton believed that the world was created by God. Celestial bodies in nature operated like a clock, and God was the one who wound the spring. So is that really the truth? Time moved forward to today. Science developed rapidly, and humanity's understanding of the universe has greatly improved. Whether it's extragalactic systems, black holes, or various cosmic phenomena, they have all been discovered one by one. With the invention of various scientific instruments and astronomical telescopes, how did we rely on modern science to answer the question of the origin of the universe? Since the 20th century, based on a series of observational data, Belgian astrophysicist Georges Lemaitre and American physicist George Gamow proposed the famous Big Bang theory. This theory describes that the entire universe originally existed as a point with infinite density and infinitesimal volume. Then a massive explosion occurred, causing the universe to expand rapidly. After 13.8 billion years of evolution, the universe looks as it does today. The galaxies you see, nebulae, countless stars and life, all originated from that Big Bang. This theory is supported by a lot of evidence, such as cosmic microwave background radiation and the redshift phenomenon of galaxies. According to current observations, from the Big Bang until now, the universe is still expanding, and expanding faster and faster. So according to our description of the universe, in the future it will become more and more empty. Everything will reach the same temperature, entropy will reach its peak. Even the black holes that dominate the universe, according to Hawking's radiation theory, will one day all evaporate. At that time, the universe will return to darkness, without a trace of light. But there's no need to wait until that time. According to current scientific predictions, the sun will go out in a few billion years, the Andromeda galaxy will collide with our Milky Way, and life on Earth will have long disappeared. This is a natural law that no one can defy. And in front of these countless cosmic secrets, humans are nothing at all. We are but fleeting travelers in this vast universe.